Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the ocean cleanup in Heartopia Colorfuls event. Okay, let's get into it guys. To clean the ocean, you need to unlock ocean cleanup hobby. If you don't know how to unlock it, you can watch my previous video. And then after you unlock the ocean cleanup hobby, you will get cleaner and you can open your toolbox and equip the cleaner. Okay, once you equip this tool, you're going to find a target pollutant. Okay, the first time you use this cleaner, you will get like sign or guide to find the pollutants. Once you select the target, there will be a circle, means that you need to tap and hold on the cleaner, and after that the pollutant will be removed. Yeah, just like that. So find the pollutant first and select the pollutant target. Then tap and hold on the cleaner to clean them. Okay guys, and that's how you can do the ocean cleanup activity in Heartopia Colorfuls event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!